And now we'll see SS 720, that is auditor's responsibility relating to other information. And we'll see the objectives of the auditor first, to consider whether there's a material inconsistency within in between other information and financial statements. Other information, it is provided by the management or the board who prepares the financial statements. Don't get confused with the other matter paragraph. Other matter paragraph is what auditor gives. Other information is what management gives. And consider whether that matter is material inconsistent with other information and auditor's knowledge obtained in the audit. And these were the two things for the material inconsistency, and to respond appropriately when auditor identifies how he has to respond. He has to know whether it has to be a materially misstated or not. We'll see that the auditor's responsibility with regards to the other information. You see what the auditor was saying. This is responsibility of the other information is responsible for management and board of directors. Management and board of directors are responsible for the other information. And what they're saying, this other information do not include in the financial statements or auditor's report. Okay, that's fine. Our opinion does not cover other information. Okay, that's first thing. They have disclosed the responsibility criteria. And with that, what they have said. And they have said that whether the so what they are asking the users, consider whether the information is materially inconsistent with the financial statement, first objective, and our knowledge obtained in the audit, second objective. And how he has to respond, he is saying that we conclude that there's a misstatement in this other information. That is how they have responded with regards to the misstatement. That is the third objective. All the three they have complied with. This is with regards to the objectives of the auditor. This is just a definition, financial or non-financial information and all, and how the audit procedure have to be. First, he has to obtaining the other information and read the other information, and then respond with regards to the material inconsistency, which was there or not, whether they were materially misstated or not. That's what they have discussed here, right? That what they have discussed here, they have materially misstated or not, and they have found that there is a material misstatement. And responding into that, if there was a material misstatement, they have to respond to that, and they have to report, and documentation has to be done. That's what all with regards to the other information. And that's it, we have completed our standards, and now we'll discuss the important questions. It is we are not discussing the direct questions that could be asked, like a list of self review, list of threats for independence, or the fundamental principles of the ethical requirements and all. We are not discussing those. What we are something you could easily write after seeing this PDF or reading from any notes and all. But what we are discussing is all the important points, important questions in the latest MTPs, RTPs, and we are covering both the MTPs, and we are covering the latest RTP, and case-based questions, like something those were not direct questions, and and we'll discuss how to write answers with regards to that particular standards. And for a situation, we have 2 to 3 standards that comes into our mind, how to incorporate those two things. And when we find one, how to find the linked standards